welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's do another driving video around Pretoria. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the ride. Enjoying the ride. Let's go like, comment, and subscribe. Simple, I need to learn the English. Saying change. Honorable Tamuro. Oh, with a language. Yeah, welcome to my so get there because I'm better again. Get there. I told you from that. I told you I'm poor. La tata. Get rid of more driving than talking. Rolela peace. Get Jaga OuPad. OuPad and Yagamolamo Sinoville. Like from social move to Sinoville. Now so like Ons Bank or Sinoville in a way honor and then yeah.
Necessarily just Bulls fans, just proudly South African. There's so much South African pride this morning with the way that Bafana closed that game last night. And you won't believe it. Right. Talking about soccer, even hearing from the soccer stars this morning for the Vodacom Bulls tonight.
Good morning, Martin and team. Mark Fisher. Yes, I am a Stormers fan, but I'm certainly behind the Vodacom Blue Bulls tonight that are playing Leinster in the URC final. Good luck to the Blue Bulls, and let's all Japan FM listeners get behind the Blue Bulls tonight. And just a reminder, hope everyone, you are watching and supporting Bafana.
Hey now! Hey, Mark Fish, you legends. Go Vodacom Bulls. Is there another Stormers fan that left us a message? I know, I got 50 around Stormers fans this morning. What's her name? Was it Mandy? Here's another one.
I'm Martin, it's Renata. I need to make a...
Can I just stop it there for a second and just say I can already hear her.
She's changing positions to stop spewing.
She's either going to ask to speak to the manager or she's not going to be nice about the Vodacom Bulls.
I think she is. Renata is getting ready to just kind of go, you know what? I'm going to be a nice person.
Oh, I love your hope.
Fish. I was one of those Stormer supporters who let out the boo word more than once.
There you go.
So this is me coming clean. Sorry, not sorry.
She's like doing so well, not doing so well.
That took a quick turn.
Wow, you know what? You've got to give it to the Vodacom Bulls. Though, fourth time in the final, and they're going to do it for South Africa tonight. Bafana doing it for South Africa.
Give it back.
Yeah, it's going to be fun, and I think it's nice to have Zimbabwe playing against South Africa. That's also going to be a nice curtain raiser. And of course, a big one as well for the World Cup, South Africa women against India women on Sunday.
What a day on Father's Day.
Yeah, exactly.
That's going to be incredible. So, what time does that start?
I'm not sure what time that starts. I think it should normally be about a 2 o'clock start for a World Cup game, but I'll check for you.
You kind of dropped yourself there because you started out the sentence with another great thing happening on Sunday.
South Africa versus India is happening at 3:30.
Oh, that's
Pretoria North. That's right.
Well, look, you can have Father's Day breakfast, and then you can go to the bathroom and get all the stuff out, and then you can get a beer in.
Thank you very much for that. Otherwise, we wouldn't have figured it out for ourselves. Your prediction tonight?
The Bulls are going to take it. Finally, we're going to take it 2 points. Probably 13-15 because it is finals rugby.
Sure.
Yeah, 13-15, not a high-scoring game.
May you be right.
I'm going to go for a higher score. In fact, I think there might be a bit of a wiping of the City Bulls. Yeah, I think that they've got that fighting spirit in them, so I think we're going to be quite vital.
Continue on M35 for 6 kilometers.
Ja, die Wêreldkap hulle so gespeel aan die tweede helfte teen die Glasgow Warriors. Doen dit vir ons asseblief. Ons ondersteun julle, denk vir julle.
Dat is 11 kilometers van ons winkel. Ons winkel. No need for speeding. OuPad Onderstepoort. Campus, ja, PRETORIA University. Daar iets in ons maar soms ek het aan my commentate veterinary research.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Rosslyn Road, R566.
No tech, thanks. Giza turn left, no tech with thanks.
Turn left onto Rosslyn Road, R566.
Okay. Assurance.
Continue on R566 for 1 kilometer.
Okay, so continue. From Soshanguve to Onsvenke. Nissan, Ramkawa. Nissan. Ramkawa dish. Our Nissan, move. Ivan, I'm not going to pay the space, he said. What? I just sent a job. Let's say, sure. I will Nissan.
In 300 meters, use any lane to turn slightly right onto Lavender Road, R101.
I will. The one Nissan. What and then skipper.
Use any lane to turn slightly right onto Lavender Road, R101.
Alright.
Because tonight is Father's Day. But Father's Day is on Sunday, right? And the sport starts tonight, right?
No, like a 10, no, we like a 10.
Continue on R101 for 1.5 kilometers.
Will do. I will continue. I will continue. Okay, proceed.
You fake injury, come on. You can chew gum and fake injury. No way. It's luminous green. Look at this.
Why would you stop again?
So it's a festive skirt, but it's not just a tutu. It looks like a tutu, but it hangs onto the ground. So this is
Another fan of how you told it is
that is party. So
a straw, and a shop as a straw.
You like more, just like
Engine garage after on drinking. Engine garage.
So it's me, so I see it's me, Ilana from 95.
There is 30%
And they don't say Ilana, they say
take you your zero.
Hey, so this weekend, what are we saying, Hada? Bafana!
In 500 meters, turn left onto Sefarco Macgatho Drive, R513.
But lot of singers are Laka, Lehoha, hanging come. Nitonza, and Nilap. And don't.
Turn left onto Sefarco Macgatho Drive, R513.
I'm turning. Got 10. So get
Continue on R513 for 2 kilometers.
I'm turning. Oh, for 2 kilometers. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. How many? 1 kilometers. Alright. 1.8. Or if you tell on swing, once you keep it left, get one after 3 minutes left. Hey, you should be doing. Hey, I might get so I got like a low one. I got like a low one. I got the camera. Let's see. What's another slope in this hotel? So I'll go building it. What's it get bigger and Taka? I'm recording the phone now. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ningang phone nailing it busy at drive. I can't answer now. When I'm piano, Marana, ish, right? Oh God. Okay. Huh? Yeah, Tarvake, huh? What's the name? Says. Yeah, Tarvake, Lion. Once again, we'll side thing, quite like unfair. Let's sing it, let's sing it. I'm bored. I'll sing a video, yeah, come on. How many? 750. It's beautiful.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Maria Street. Turn left onto Maria Street, then turn right onto Merker Avenue.
Okay. It's like a 10. So it's 10 and then I get more. I see this place. I know this place. I know this place. Like it's next at the shop, I think. Chicken.
Turn right onto Merker Avenue, Safarco Macgatho Service Lane, then turn right onto Zambezi Avenue. Turn right onto Zambezi Avenue, R513, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay. If it's seen.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay. What is the destination? Oh, if you did a destination. I guess the way I'm about destination. Okay, check a destination. That is why I give it. Come on. What's your destination? I'm with the destination. Never guess the pagan. Little one. What destination? Right, we have come to the end of our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. As one, thank you.